monthly loan payment calculations. So in order to calculate the monthly payment of a loan, we need three inputs. First, the interest rate, then the number of months you're planning to pay, and the loan amount. You need to change the interest rate from a general to a percentage style. You can see now it became 3%. Then you need to go to the cell where you want to display the result. Then click on insert function and search for PMT. Press enter. Then it will find PMT. Just select this. First, it will ask you for the rate, which is 3%. So select that cell. Then it asks you for the number of payments that you're planning to make. Let's say if you want to pay this loan back in 36 months and the value of the loan, which is 500,000, then if you press OK, it will calculate you. You might get a negative result, but that's okay. All you need to do is to put a minus sign in front, and it gives you the monthly payment, which is quite a big number, and you realize that maybe you can't afford to pay 22,000, so you can then increase it to 250 months, and then this value decreases.